Ria and Rowan were childhood sweethearts who got married after college. They had a happy and blissful life until Ria was diagnosed with terminal lung cancer. She had never smoked, but she had been exposed to second-hand smoke from her father, who was a chain smoker. Ria was devastated by the news, but she tried to be strong for Rowan. She underwent chemotherapy and radiation, but the doctors told her that she had only a few months left. Rowan was heartbroken, but he did everything he could to make Ria comfortable and happy. He took her to their favorite places, bought her flowers and chocolates, and read her stories at night. He also quit his job and spent all his savings on Ria's treatment. Hoping for a miracle, he prayed every day for Ria's recovery, but he also prepared himself for the worst. One night, Ria woke up in pain and coughed up blood. She knew it was time. She called Rowan to her side and held his hand. She looked into his eyes and said, "I love you, Rowan. You are the best thing that ever happened to me. Thank you for being with me till the end. Please don't cry for me, and don't blame yourself. You have given me more happiness than I deserve. Promise me that you will move on and find someone else who will love you as much as I do." Rowan was speechless. He couldn't bear the thought of losing Ria, his soulmate. He hugged her tightly and said, "I love you too, Ria. You are my everything. I don't want anyone else but you. Please don't leave me. Please stay with me." Ria smiled weakly and said, "I wish I could, but I can't. I have to go now, but I will always be with you in your heart and in your memories. Remember me as I was, not as I am now. And remember that I will always love you, no matter what." She closed her eyes and breathed her last. Rowan broke down and cried. He kissed Ria's forehead and whispered, "Goodbye, my love. I will always love you too." He held her in his arms until the morning, when the nurses came and took her away. He never recovered from Ria's death. He became depressed and isolated himself from everyone. He blamed himself for not being able to save Ria, and he felt guilty for being alive while she was gone. He lost his will to live and wished he could join Ria in heaven. He died a year later from a heart attack. He was buried next to Ria's grave. They were finally together again.
Thank you for watching this video.